obsessed. We are talking about organic reach. Everybody talks about organic reach, how it has declined. Of course, it has declined, but we need to understand why it has declined. It is their platform, right? It is Facebook platform. They decide to do whatever they want to do. That is their platform, so we need to respect that. Of course, it's given us for free, and they have the right to do whatever they want. But if you take a step back and understand why Facebook is doing this, couple of things we discussed in the Periscope too. Facebook or any channel, social media, or even Google for that matter, their algorithm changes because one, they want to give valuable information in terms of content, right? That is the whole purpose about Facebook changing this algorithm. So we need to understand they're also looking at the benefit of the user who's using Facebook. That's one of the things. And of course, they also need to make money, and they want to have, this is another way to monetize, to have people or brands boost that one. So we need to understand that a little bit, and then talk about data and other things too, right?
So that is even after paying money, even after paying for the same thing, the brands are still not getting the value out of it.
Yeah, see,
why is that happening?
See, it all depends upon the what kind of content we are putting. Is it interesting or is it valuable content? See, now interesting. What we did was recently we posted this Facebook post. We got around for the Isaac kind of thing. That's that video and picture. It's not video. Is it video? No. It is actually FAR podcast link, correct?
Yeah.
That we discussed about this, and we put some pictures about what are the things that we discussed. That post got 3,500 organic reach. 3,500 organic reach. I mean, then we realized what are the things that we did in order to get that, because typically we'll get maybe 600, 700. We got around 45,000 likes. Out of that, the reach was, of course, it's not a huge one, but we see significant. This post alone got around 3,000, 3,500 reach. I mean, then we went and looked back at what are the things that we did. So we did, the title was interesting, the tags was interesting, and interesting enough, we did something listening to podcast. We used that particular thing, and then the pictures, and the post was lengthier. It was not just a one paragraph. It was a lengthier. Yes, we tagged the right people. So we try to understand why this post alone got some good organic reach. Of course, what I did also is after 2-3 days, I boosted it. The boosted post is like not even reached 2,000.
So your organic reach was better than
yes.
your boosted
Exactly.
reach.
Normally it is the other way around, right?
Right.
The boosted post will get engagement or maybe reach more, and the organic will be less, but this is significant.
That's exactly what I'm saying. So whether you are going organically, you want to try it organically, or you go on a paid strategy, the core thing which many people forget is the kind of content that provokes conversations.
Right.
Are you focusing on that? Now everyone will say we have to post 2-3 times a day, and that is the focus.
Right.
The focus is not that you build something that is newsworthy, that is informational, that is something which will emotionally connect with people. Maybe you will do it once in 3 days, perhaps.
Right.
But at least you make that something which will deserve the attention of people. But instead we focus on, there is this algorithm, we must focus this, we must share 3 times a day, LinkedIn we must go 2 times a day, and never mind that people are not coming and you're not paying attention.
Right.
Yeah, I think
you are not paying attention
in
to
this very case of WMA that you mentioned, let's look at the demographics of the people who like WMA page. These are people who are genuinely interested in the digital. They're basically students, just to start off, professionals. If you look at the demographics, it very clearly states, and the content that you have posted is speaking about internships. It's speaking about social good. It's talking about how you can come up with your own programs, your own strategies, your own plans, the originality in it. Okay, and that's what WMA teaches, right? So it goes very well with what the audience wants on your Facebook page. So when the content goes very well with what they want, obviously they're interested, and the way it has been posted, as he rightly mentioned, is amazing. So that's how I think when you correlate those two aspects, it's a beautiful combination.
Yes.
Totally. It's like quality versus quantity. I remember, people asking about, they're making a calendar where they are like putting 3 posts in a day and, on the Facebook, on the Twitter and all those channels. So I agree. It's just the right post for the right audience.
Also, there's another thing that they've mentioned in the article which says social does not deliver, and he's talking exclusively about reach falling is one.